Youngstown used to be a big Rust Belt steel mill community, which had all come to an end in the 70s. Now it's more coming back with a lot of different manufacturing. This is East High School, Youngstown, Ohio. It's part of the city schools in Youngstown. There's 2 high schools. This manufacturing technology is available in both high schools now, but this was the first high school that it became available in. All right, so you got quick connect into there.
I've been in this class for 4 years, since 9th grade.
It's my 2nd year in this class, manufacturing tech.
You get your flow meter. All right, now get us some air. Students have the opportunity to experience many different aspects of manufacturing, from electrical to pneumatics to hydraulics to robotics. Anything that you can think of in a manufacturing process, we pretty much cover in here.
Of the elective classes, this one's easily the most accessible and the most fun.
I get all different walks of life here with different students. You know, in 9th grade, you really don't know what you're doing in school. So to me, I'm exposing them to all those possibilities. The Ignite program is basically the manufacturing technology. It's set up in 6 parts, 6 semesters. Then the students can also branch out and get into micro-credentials and credentials in the different pathways as far as hydraulics, electrical. I was the 2nd school to go on and start this program out, but I am proud to say that I was probably the first one that was successful of getting through the program. That's the one challenge for a teacher in this, is there's so many different subject areas. You have to be very versed in a lot of different areas of expertise, and sometimes when you're not using some of the things, it goes away. So that's what's nice about the Amatrol offering training every summer. You can go get brushed back up on something that you may feel a little rusty on. The other thing I would say I'm proud of is the fact that when I was going back for training at Amatrol, I was being pulled in and asked, hey, what's your opinion about this? And what kind of projects would you like? I mean, I had the president of the company sat down with me and asked me what I thought of things and how I thought things worked. So I feel as though I had some say in some of the stuff. And some of the suggestions I gave, I do see in the materials that we use. That to me is a little feather in the cap. My hope is to get a partnership with Youngstown State where students could potentially get college credits for taking this class and then pipe into their maintenance classes down there or their machine trade. The importance is that manufacturing is on its way back. These are very high-paying jobs. You can go straight into them and start making money and not come out with $100,000 in debt for college. Any of these trades, skilled trades, or any of these things that they could potentially get interested in, you're getting paid now, not on down the road, not 4 years from now. You could take this anywhere in the country, anywhere. You could take this anywhere in the world.